If your windshield washer nozzles aren't spraying as they should, it might be time for a replacement. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer nozzles on an 8th gen Honda Civic. This is a simple DIY fix that can save you a trip to the dealership. While the official method to replace the windshield washer nozzles is somewhat complex, you have to pop the hood and remove this cowl cover that houses the washer nozzles. And to remove the cowl cover, you also have to remove the windshield wiper arms. That can take a lot of time and effort. We are doing none of that. What I am going to do is just pull out the washer nozzles from the top. To do that, all you need is a small flathead screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver at the base of the nozzle and then twist it. It's easier when you insert the screwdriver at the front base of the nozzle, the side facing the windshield. Once the nozzle is free, pull it out of the cover. As you can see, the nozzle is attached to a hose. Firmly grab the hose with one hand and then twist the nozzle while pulling it out with the other hand. When the old nozzle is out, do not let go of the hose as it may fall inside the cover. Now grab your new nozzle and insert it into the hose. Make sure the nozzle is fully inserted into the hose, otherwise it may leak. Now push the nozzle into place until you hear it click. Repeat the process for the other nozzle. With everything reconnected, get inside the car, turn on the ignition and activate the windshield washers. Watch as the new nozzles spray washer fluid onto your windshield. If they are working correctly, you're all set. If the spray pattern seems off, you can adjust the nozzle direction with a small pin or a flathead screwdriver. And that's all. Replacing the windshield washer nozzles on your Honda Civic is that easy. It's a quick and easy fix that can make a big difference in your visibility on the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.